Gallop with the Moor is a request from somebody on the website. So we're in the 2 accelerated book, performance book. So this one is built off of, I'm going to tell you the answer, C minor pentascale. So they're studying the pentascales in this chapter, C minor, G minor, and F minor, all with those flats in the middle. Okay? So your 3's on a black key. Works for both hands in this one, so pretty much the whole time your 3's going to be on the E flat. At one point you're going to move down, but it's still 3 on E flat. Little tricks. So make sure you can play this. I would do that a lot before you start playing the piece. Alright, when you're warmed up, we take the piece and start looking at the themes of the piece. Seems like this thing happens a lot. Called that a little motif. So learn how to play that really easily. It's basically a C minor chord, and we just have the E flat in the right hand. So start slow, keep those short. When you did that about 4 hours and your neighbors hate you, move on. Because that is a big part of the piece. We have 2 measures there, 2 measures there, 2 measures there, 2 measures there, 2 measures there. If you add that all up, sure, it's a big number. I can't add that much of that stuff. So make sure you get a hold of that before you start. The next part is just that C minor scale. And remember I told you to do this before you started? Sounds just like the piece. Man, this guy's smart. Okay, so when you get those little things, like those little scales, then that takes up your whole first section. Okay, so just do those 2 warm-ups, this and then this, and that should take you through a lot of the piece. Now the B section usually starts at measure 9 and usually goes to about into the second page a little bit. Is going to be a little different theme. Okay, so your left hand's on G the whole time and short. And then your right hand changes. On that second note, we hold the pedal down. Okay, that same thing happens here on that second note. We're going to hold the pedal down. Same idea, but then we're going to go back to the scale, and that's your B section. Okay? Again, this is kind of like that scale I said. So you should already kind of be alright with that. So that's your B section. A lot of pedal. Usually the B section sounds different than your A section, so remember that we want a big contrast there. Okay? Should go for a different sound. So we have the A, we have the B, it goes back into the A, and then we have a little coda. So I'll show you the coda because the A is the same thing. We do loudest and then we go a little softer. Same thing, just an octave down. And then stay down there for the rest of the piece. Okay. So this you already know. And then we just add that. Okay. So it'll be really important for you to understand the form. Just remember this is A, that's B. This is A, and then this is your coda, okay? Work on a little part at a time, label your music, practice like that. There you go, YouTube.